Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 model trains. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. For train enthusiasts looking to dive into the world of electric train sets, the Bachman Super Chief is a top pick. This complete ready-to-run freight train set includes everything you need to get started, from the powerful F7 a diesel locomotive with an operating headlight to the boxcar, steel gondola car, and offset cupola caboose. The 24-circle of nickel-silver EZ track ensures smooth and reliable operation, while the included power pack and speed controller allow you to adjust the train's speed to your liking. Designed in N-scale at 1:160, this train set offers intricate detailing and realistic proportions. Recommended for ages 14 and up, the Bachman Super Chief is a great choice for both beginners and experienced model train enthusiasts. Brandon from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Track too small." Other than that, perfect gift. Step back in time with our Electric Toys train set for boy. This classic toy features a retro design that will transport you to the industrial era, complete with a misty steam effect produced by adding water. The freight car is also perfect for loading up with other toys and goodies, adding to the excitement. But that's not all. The remote control function allows you to control the train's movement, speed, sound, and even switch to silent mode. Join your child in constructing a personalized train track and engage in endless games together. Whether it's a birthday or Christmas, this train set is the perfect gift that will bring joy and nostalgia. The comprehensive set includes a locomotive, transport carriages, remote control, scenic accessories, and an impressive 218 inches of track length. Let your child's creativity run wild as they build their own unique configurations. Get ready for retro train adventures. If you're a train enthusiast, the Knifeless GWR 2900 class steam train building kit is an absolute must-have for your collection. This classic red and black train replica pays homage to the grand example of Great Western engineering. With its beautifully detailed design, this model train is sure to catch the eye and become the centerpiece of your display. You can recreate the authentic features of the original steam locomotive, from the turning wheels to the detailed interior. The set also includes a full set of train tracks, allowing you to create a fully functional train set. The packaging is elaborate and luxurious, making it an ideal gift for train lovers of all ages. With 789 pieces, this model train provides a relaxing and immersive building experience that stimulates creative thinking and imagination. Bring the world of railways to life with the Knifeless GWR 2900 class steam train building kit. Introducing the LEGO City Express passenger train set, a must-have for any young train enthusiast. This set features a remote-controlled bullet locomotive with working headlights that can be dimmed using the LEGO powered-up technology. With 2 coaches and 24 track pieces, your child can create their own exciting railway adventures. The train and its lights can be easily controlled using the included remote or through the LEGO powered-up app on a smart device. The set also includes 6 minifigures, including passengers, a train driver, and a restaurant worker, along with fun accessories like a bike, helmet, wheelchair, briefcase, and backpack. Kids can role-play various scenarios such as waiting at the platform, enjoying a toy hot dog in the restaurant car, or working on their laptop in the passenger coach. With step-by-step instructions, building the remote control train will be a breeze for kids aged 7 and above. Make their birthday extra special with this LEGO City Express toy train set, perfect for any fan of remote control trains and cars. Introducing the LEGO City Freight Train Set, a remote control toy that offers endless hours of fun. With its locomotive train powered by LEGO powered-up technology, this set brings realistic sound effects to enhance the play experience. The set includes a flat wagon with 2 cargo containers, an open wagon, a double-decker car transporter, 2 EV cars, a charging station, and a reach stacker construction vehicle. With 33 sections of track and a track switcher, you can create various railway layouts to keep the excitement going. Whether you choose to operate the train and sound effects with the included remote control or via the LEGO Powered Up app on your smart device, the control is in your hands. This LEGO City train set also comes with 6 minifigures equipped with accessories like a screwdriver, shovel, walkie-talkie, phone, and fruit and vegetable elements for imaginative play. Perfect for kids aged 7 and above, this LEGO City freight train set makes an excellent gift for birthdays or Christmas. Get ready for an exciting journey of creativity and adventure with this fantastic toy. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 model trains. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.